Hi everybody, Gregory here, and guess what? Now I get to hang out with Miss Kay from Dupe That.
Hi everyone.
Hey ladies, gentlemen, guess what? We're gonna share some of our favorite dupes with you right now. Ready?
I'm ready.
Also, another fave of mine, I know you and Elle are like
Obsessed. I love it.
Why are you so obsessed? Because she gave me 50 reasons why she's obsessed with the GBP It's a 10 mask.
Because
Why?
it's like, I think it's like $10, less than $10 maybe,
Yeah.
and the It's a 10 mask, which was one of my holy grail hair masks,
Yeah.
is like 30.
Yeah.
And so this performs exactly the same. It feels the same. It smells the same. It like really repairs my hair.